If you've sold anything on Amazon before, you probably know how essential it is to have some sort of data analysis tool. Let me show you how I set up my SellerAmp settings to be able to find profitable leads all the time. So in my settings, I have a minimum profit of $3 and a minimum ROI of 30%, which is what you see shown here. It's green when it meets that criteria, it's red when it doesn't. The break-even price feature is super nice also because you can see how far the price can drop without losing money. If you scroll down to the profit calculator section, you can actually see a breakdown of your fees, and you can also toggle between FBM and FBA to determine how you want to sell this product. One of my favorite features is the Google export feature, and that is where you can create certain Google Sheets where you can export certain products to. So if you have products that need certain discounts to be able to be profitable, you can put that in that category. If you have seasonal items that are only good certain times of the year, then you can add it to that Google Sheet. But it's a great way to really organize your leads to help you understand which products you should be buying. If you're not using SellerAmp, how are you finding profitable leads to sell on Amazon?